doing today, and he said, "Why are you beeping me?" And he said, "Oh, it's not beeping me." And he said he was going to Mandeville. He said I could come if I want. So I'm gonna go, but he said I have to be over the house at 7 o'clock. So I'm up early. I wanted to get mommy's things done before I went. So I woke up pretty early, and then I, called and asked around for mommy's stuff. And I'm good to go. Like, the person isn't gonna be ready until in the afternoon. So I'm early. I woke up early, and I feel very proud of myself. I think initially I wanted to wake up at 4 o'clock, but I went back to sleep, and then I woke up at 5. And then I have a new tip. It's something that I just realized, and I'm gonna start doing it for myself. I'm not sure if it's gonna work with speakers, but I did it with my AirPods. And my tip is, when you wake up, let's say you're still feeling really sleepy, right? Put your headphones in, or turn up your speaker and play like a really high beat song, like play a high intensity hit song. High intensity. Wow, I did high intensity. But anyways, play a really fast or high paced song. And it really, like, I felt my eyes dilate. Is that the word? I felt my eyes dilate. Like, I literally woke right up. So try that and let me know if it works for you the next time you have to wake up early in the morning, because it really did work for me. I'll also leave my SoundCloud and my Spotify playlist links down in the description box for anybody who wants to hear it. I feel like I have a unique choice in music. I don't listen to just one type of song. I don't listen to just dancehall. I don't listen to just R&B. I have a lot of different songs in my playlist, and I have foreign songs in my playlist too. God knows I don't understand what they're saying, but sometimes I look it up just to make sure, but I really do love music, different kinds of music. Anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera back to the road, and I really do appreciate that you guys also appreciate being able to see the road. Yeah, don't mind my dirty window shield. Don't judge me. I'm gonna get the car washed and clean on the inside. That just, money adds up when you do that thing, and money add up when you do it. Like, I was trying to wash, I'm gonna go by the next swim. I was trying to keep a routine of washing the cars by myself on Sundays, but first of all, that routine, like, it's hard to stick to. It's so hard to stick to that routine. Why? Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. It's so hard to stick to that routine. And then what else? I feel like I've been talking forever. But anyways, since I'm gonna be on the road all day, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm just glad I have somebody to talk to. I have you guys to talk to, even though you won't be hearing this until after the fact. I'm really grateful to have a great support team from my subscribers. We really gotta come up with a name for the family, or should we just call it the family and stick like a Scarface edge to it? The family. I like that. I like that, because we are basically a YouTube family. We are a family over the internet. Whether it's from great comments, people who are always coming back, showing support, or even the people who are low-key mean, come in the comments and be mean. We got mean family members in real life. So I just want to say thank you to everybody, even the people who give me constructive criticism. Touching on that, something smells stink. Touching on that, no, they must do something about this. Ooh, this road not really smells so, maybe because of morning time. No, sir? Ew. Oh my God. Guys, ooh, Jesus, Oh my, ew, ooh. No, this is strong. This is different. I'm not overreacting. It smells like, I've smelled this before. It's not like poop. It's sulfate, or is it sulfate or something? It's Because I remember Amber. Amber is my friend in Buffalo. Oh, definitely check out Amber Simone Music. I will leave a Instagram at right somewhere on the screen. And then I'll also try to leave a link in the description box, but there'll definitely be the at name. Go check out her music. She has an amazingly beautiful, heaven-sent voice. Trust me, you won't regret it. But I remember when we went to go visit her country home in Buffalo, or well, in Western New York, because it wasn't Buffalo, it was somewhere in Western New York. They had something wrong with the plumbing at the moment, and like it was sulfur. It was definitely sulfur. It smelled so gross. I want to say stink. Gross. That's what that just smelled like, and I'm pretty sure it's sulfur. Anyways, because there's no sewer back there. I'm pretty sure it's. I don't know. What do I know? I'm gone. This is a long clip. Oh my god. Ah, don't hate me. Alright guys, so I'm not even at my destination yet, and I was just thanking God for even getting me to over 12,000 subscribers, because I'm so grateful, and I'm just like reminiscing on like how far I've come, and y'all don't understand like how extremely grateful I am. Like when I used to watch YouTubers say that this is all because of us, like us watching and you know commenting and liking, I'd be like, okay sis, yeah, okay. No, but I really like, y'all don't understand how extremely grateful I am to even have you guys, like have a support team. It's like I'm coming from far. I used to watch YouTube from way back, like from my channel was created in 2009. I used to watch YouTube before that. That's just when I created. Actually, I think this is like this is my second channel. I had a channel before this. I can't remember specifically what it was called or why I couldn't log back in or whatever. Like, but I remember having like a channel before the one I created in 2009. And I used to upload videos even back then. I used to upload videos, but they were so terrible that I would delete them. Like, I would literally delete them. Like the most random things, like outfit of the day videos. Like, who remembers that? Literal outfit of the day. That's it. Like, guys, this is what I'm wearing. Have a good day. So I'm just extremely like, I'm so happy, you know? And it's all because of you for watching. So thank you. Like, you don't know how. Come on, what's the kill off yourself? You don't know how extremely. I'm so grateful. Like, I have no other words to describe the feeling that I'm feeling right now. I'm just gonna have to do this in a whole separate video, because I've been talking so much and I haven't even reached my destination yet, and I got a long day. No, this is literally me driving. That's why I had to come on camera and show y'all, like, I'm grateful. You don't understand. Like, so I want to thank God. I want to thank God and consistency. Like, if you have a small channel, like I still have a small channel, you know, but if you have a small channel like me, or smaller, or even a little bit bigger than me, and you're, or even more bigger than me actually, and you're where you are, just keep going. Keep being consistent. Go on, man. Keep being consistent, because it pays off. Like, I can't stress. I know where you're going, brother. Okay. I can't stress the fact of how much it pays off. Like, don't watch the numbers now. Just do it because that's what you enjoy doing. Like, if I was watching the numbers when I was only getting 9 views I would be like, nah, forget this, I'm done with this, you know? But just keep going, keep pushing, and do it because you love it. Don't do it because you want to get famous or money. And yeah, like, the fame is cool because now people are recognizing me on the street, and I'm like, whoa, like, this is different, you know? And then the money is nice as well. Like, I'm telling you the honest to God truth behind all of this. I'm just let this man go. Yeah, the money is nice, but I don't get as much pleasure from the money and the fame as I do from seeing people comment and say, I'm coming back to Jamaica too, or thank you so much for showing me this, I haven't seen it since my childhood. Do you know how that feels? Like, shivers running through my body right now. Like, that, being able to talk with people from all over the world. Like, somebody from Korea commented on my video saying he's from Korea and he watched the videos and he really likes it. Like, what? It blows my mind. I'm so, oh my God, I'm extremely grateful, and I just want to tell y'all thank you so much. Yeah, alright, I'm done. This is going in a whole separate video. The Mandeville vlog will be starting different